Now, Apple's working on a little bit more, what would you say, a moonshot type projects as well, not just practical ones like these mini little iPhone 12s here, $699. And this is an example of that. You can follow the patent filings and obviously figure out some of their future plans through them. This patent filing is actually around bone conduction technology, which, of course, we've experienced on the Unbox Therapy channel in the form of a couple different products over the years. It's not perfect by any means. It's really interesting tech. Leaves your ears free, using the tiny little bones in your face and near your ears here to transmit audio.
Vibrations.
Yeah. Very cool. And it can give you a kind of unique feel of music, which isn't exactly like what happens with headphones. And so this particular patent is around a hybrid approach, which uses some bone conduction for lower frequencies, and then an actual audio speaker, more typical, coming down towards the ear for the higher frequencies, which tend to suffer in the bone conduction tech. And then there's a headband to it. Now, it's a very ugly rendering here in the patent filing. It's just to get the idea out there. No one's going to wear this thing like this, but maybe if they make it a little bit more slick, embrace the technology, come up with something interesting where you feel the bass but hear the highs. Could be an interesting hybrid. So it's just a patent as it stands right now, but it could end up in an actual physical product at some point. Apple continuing to invest, by the way, in their audio products. They just knocked it out of the park with the AirPods. AirPods are everywhere. The AirPods, wild success. I mean, we don't need to, there's no investigation necessary. Just walk down the street.
Yeah.
AirPods, wild success. So then they say, okay, let's make the over-ear with the Apple brand. Forget about Beats. We'll get to that later.
Yes.
That's what they do in the corporate office when they do the meeting. I don't have to tell you. And then they say, wait, if audio is such a big deal and we make so much money over here, and this one's easy, we don't even have to design a whole new phone. We just put a little, what we do, we spit a little audio in the ears over there, count the money afterwards, and we say, well, what is the next version? What is the futuristic headset audio delivery? What are people looking for? So on and so forth. Maybe you even wear this thing, you watch the futuristic ASMR, and then God knows we never see you again. Well, maybe that's what happened.
I'll be gone.